In today's tutorial, I will show you how to clear cells if appearing blank but not blank with Kutools for Excel. The second method will introduce Kutools for Excel to actual utility, which will enable you to clear the contents of all cells appearing blank but not blank with only one click. Select the range you will clear contents of cells appearing blank and click the Kutools tab. In the range and cells group, click the to actual. Then you will see all contents are removed from cells that appear blank but not blank at once, as you can see. Please note that this method will also remove all formulas of all cells in the selected range, including cells not appearing blank. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.